Oh, yeah.
They're everywhere.
They're going to get in our mouth.
I didn't realize this was here like this.
Dear, I'm going to call this. I don't think trains run on this track anymore.
This is a trestle right here.
Huh?
It's a trestle.
Yeah. I do have this going, by the way.
It's Tim and Tammy time.
Yes, it is.
And today, we're down here at the Riverwalk, and we fixed to walk a little bit on this trestle, but I ain't going out in dangerous places, okay? Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. And
We love y'all. Yeah, please be careful of that. I didn't know that was there either. Might get a better angle over there. How about that?
I won't go out on it, I promise.
Where did you say we were at? We're in Columbus.
I said we're in Columbus, didn't I? I said we're at the Riverwalk. Woo, look at these hitchhikers grabbing a hold of me. I might as well not try to pick them off right now. Look at that. I did not know we were this close to a trestle. It is most definitely an abandoned, no longer used trestle. Can you tell? Look, right above it.
What bridge is that? That one? That's 280, isn't it? Yeah, that's 280.
Yes, it is, because we're right here at Golden Park. So that is 280. Y'all, I'm picking things off my pants that got stuck on me as I come through the woods, because I did. I come right through the woods to get over here.
Yeah, I didn't know this.
When I saw this,
thought it would be cool to get a shot close to the train track and the river.
There's a sign down there.
And
it is fallen. Don't know what was on it. Been falling for a long time.
Look what we found.
Look at that.
There you go.
I mean, really. Y'all, I'm fascinated. I want to walk out on it because, wait a second. I don't want to walk out on it, but I want to show you something. I'm not going to go out on it. I am firmly on the ground, but look. See? Right between the two railroad ties. Okay.
You know what? Let's go down to the Riverwalk and see it over there.
That's where we came from. And this is one of those move limbs out of your way. Okay.
You're not supposed to walk on a train track, but
I think we're safe on this one.
I think we're safe.
Like I said, I don't think there's been trains going down this one for quite some time. I do like this train track, though. I like that they left it here. Do you want this back?
No. I'm going to let you go ahead of me. That's what I'm after.
Oh, okay.
We'll just walk over here to these steps and
Go down the steps.
And we've never seen it from down here.
We might have. I don't know. We probably... We never go that way.
Well, you're right. We're always looking at the water.
Ooh. That railroad tie was completely eat up. That was some termites. Had a good dinner on that one.
Almost
that one too.
Just get on this thing and walk and see how far.
See where it goes, yeah. Well, you want to?
Well, right now let's go look at it.
Okay, we're gonna go under the bridge over here, see what it looks like, see what the trestle looks like from under the bridge over there.
I am going downstairs.
Go. This is the best part of the video. But he's just going down, y'all. Going down ain't as hard as going up. He don't complain as much about going down, so it ain't as much fun. But I'll show you when we get down what he's got to climb up when we come back. Because what goes down must go back up. If he wants to get to the car anyway.
Y'all, I just come from work. Oh, yeah.
I bet it worked all day today too. I edited 3 videos today.
Sorry, I tend to walk fast. You want me to go get it? Okay.
I want you to. This is why every time we're down here, I'm too focused on the bridge in front of us where we're crossing the river. I ain't never paid no attention to that.
There's a bucket full of stuff down there, so let's don't walk. Oh yeah, this is quite a hill to go up, but see it right there. Yep, that's the shot right there. Here we go. We are under 280. Yeah.
All them sweet gum balls up there, they're plotting when they fall and barefooted people step on them, they're gonna laugh.
Yeah.
I know I've heard them laugh at me many, many times. It smells like the Chattahoochee River over here, y'all.
I've probably said this about 6,339 times, but we have a beautiful river walk.
We do, but you know, look at the cracks. It needs to be repaved.
It does.
But it's been around for 30 years now, ain't it? Something like
Yeah,
that.
and when it floods,
It's pretty high right now.
sometimes it,
I didn't realize that. I didn't know it was high.
yeah.
It's way high.
I'm going to go blind making this shot.
But you're going to get that shot, ain't you? It will never cease to amaze me to come to this place that I've been to so many times and find something new, like that trestle back there.
Oh, yeah.
We're going back up now?
Yeah.
Oh boy, we're gonna watch Tim climb up. This is the best part.
20,000 steps.
At least, I agree.
I'm not. Out of breath at all.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
It's, took up breath enough to do that.
That's a good thing you just did, because now that I know you can eat dandelion greens, you need to spread that seed, right?
Yeah.
We know to come over here to the Riverwalk to find some more dandelions.
That could be done.
Whoa, you know what?
Careful.
Well, they need to see what could be dangerous. That's a hole down under the railroad track. I mean, it's like a sinkhole, ain't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, let's walk on down. I'm glad I'm on this side of the tracks. This one time, I'm glad I'm on this side of the tracks. Riverwalk's right down there, y'all. See, how much more beauty can you expect? You got the river, the Riverwalk,
Trees.
the beautiful trees, and then you got a
Train track.
train track, y'all. I'm walking on train tracks. You know how long it's been since I walked a train track?
I know a couple guys that work for the railroad today.
Really? I see you back there. I have to watch my feet. I can't watch him. He's watching his feet too. So I'm just trying to get us both while we watch our feet. So if I don't watch my feet, it'll be a bad, bad thing. Oh, well, you watch for the sinkhole then. Okay, so sinkholes are banned from this area.
No, I just don't think there's one over here because I don't see.
All right then, if you say so.
That area was built up a little higher than this area is.
Oh, and okay, and since they're not maintaining it. Yep, that's probably why, you know what?
Yeah.
Now see, that would be very dangerous if there's still a train coming.
So would this.
Yeah, that'd be kind of a problem too. I think they might take better care of the train track if trains still run through here.
One right there too.
Yep.
Well, I never thought we'd be doing this today.
I didn't either. This is actually a pretty neat surprise us. Well,
We could go around the sidewalk. I mean, you know.
we're gonna do a half circle, and of course train track go off into the woods on this other side over here. You know that, right? And I don't know if we could get down there anyway. You know what?
Probably can't.
I know there's another spot down here on the Riverwalk where we'll run into this track. I've seen it before. Look at that. See, it's the Columbus Clingstone Stadium. I don't know. Do you know what it's going to be called? I knew, but I forgot.
I don't know.
It's going to change everything.
We may, you know, we'll just see. Maybe one day we'll, depending on the price. That's a pretty tree right there.
That's the one he's talking about, y'all.
All these trees are pretty, actually.
Oh, everything down through the Riverwalk is...
So there's something in that pit.
And it's locked up tight, y'all. You think Barnabas Jones... I was going with Barnaby Jones and Barnabas Collins, and I mixed them together.
There's something in that pit.
There's something stuck in this side right here. I got to see what it is. It's a potato chip bag. Yeah, that's a Coke can. How rude. Y'all remember that old slogan? Be kind, rewind. Oh, that's not the one I'm thinking of. Is that the Civic Center? That is. That's the Civic Center in front of us.
It is.
I think it's starting to look like a ball field over there now.
Yeah.
Got the Jumbotron, or is that the scoreboard? Or both. That's gonna take a lot of power. Look at all them lights.
Well, maybe we should just turn around.
We can. We, you know.
We're fixing to lose the train in the trees.
Yeah, we're going to lose the train in the trees altogether there.
And we don't have a whole lot of time today.
Always sneak a look through the fence when you can. They actually put these holes here for me to look through. Huh, okay. Well, I'm tickled to death with the train trestle. Strangely hidden trestle that's been there as long as I've been coming.
Never really paid any attention to it, I guess would be a better word.
No, it's hidden.
Yeah.
It's been hidden until now. It's hidden until you see it. Much like the Bible.
I think we'll follow the sidewalk.
I wonder what they're doing with the statues of the kids playing baseball.
I don't know.
I hadn't.
That's why I want to follow the sidewalk back.
Yeah, well, I thought they were on the other side over there of the baseball field, but you know, I don't really know. It's been so.
They were over here,
well, you might be right. It's been so long since we've been over here. Yeah, one of our very first videos was filmed over here on this side of the Riverwalk. We ran into a couple on bicycles, an elderly couple on bicycles, and they gave us their business card. You remember that?
Yeah, I do. You told them where to find them.
They were tickled to watch the video. And I mean, we're talking, we had what, 12 videos under our belt maybe?
Yeah, we didn't hardly have 10 subscribers.
Huh. Most of those was kin to me.
Yeah.
It's funny, you can see the relief on people's faces when you quit asking your family to subscribe and watch your videos. Because to start out, you do whatever you can. Ooh, that is dangerous. I like to hit my shin on that right there. That would have hurt. That iron bar right there.
Yeah.
It is sticking out awkwardly. Right back where we started from. This is South Commons.
Y'all, I hope this bridge don't give away. Here we go. Different view. This is a good view. See, you got 280 up above us. You got the train trestle there. And the Riverwalk is, I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but it's down there. That's pretty cool. And it goes all the way around there. I said it a while ago, I'll say it again. I sure hope this bridge don't fall.
I'm standing here thinking it's kind of spooky to be up under this bridge, y'all.
Yeah.
I think that might be a little bit out of place.
It might be.
This is the William Bartram Trail, and we've run into this trail all over because this is how they traced across state of Georgia. That's my assumption, since I'm familiar with the Jackson's Trace that goes to Sylacauga, and they traced that through in the 1800s, or the late, that might have been the same time as this, but anyway.
That's scary.
It is. That right there is the Columbus Historic District. And there are magnificent, beautiful old houses all around us right now. Up and down this road right here. Now, 4th Street is Covington Street. They couldn't make up their mind which one to call it.
I don't know. Used to always just be 4th Street.
Huh, I wonder about that. I want to see that little blue sign. It's one of the few places in Columbus you just walk out in the middle of the road.
Yeah, you can't hardly do that anywhere around here.
All right, this is just simply the district, established 1828. Broadway used to be Broad Street, or it says Broad Street. Let me get a little bit closer to this one right here. I like this sign. I like those are griffins, aren't they? On each side?
Yeah, I believe so.
Well, you know, I'm just gonna mention that I don't know about Phoenix Mills, the Eagle and Phoenix Mills. Those are not phoenixes, those are griffins. And what I do know is that the griffin is they got beaks. The griffin is what is West Point pepper. It says Columbus, Georgia, incorporated 1828. That's pretty too.
It is. And there's a waterless fountain.
Yeah, we got a lot of waterless fountains ever since 2020.
I
Sometimes
think they're working on everything.
I think maybe they are too. I think they're doing
Working on that heritage place where there was water there, and I think they had to cut the water off the river there.
Probably. You're probably
It's
right.
part of town anyway.
All right.
That's an old historic restaurant right there. Used to be the Getch's house.
It's
I
still the Getch's house.
guess. Still the Getch's house.
The menu's on the outside.
And it was
Oh, you
closed
know
down
what?
for a while, but now it's opened back up.
I thought they had griffins on their porch, but I think those are Dalmatians or some Great Danes of some sort.
It's opened back up now, so it's a high-end restaurant.
It's on the high end.
Yeah.
If you looked at the
Oh,
drop
yeah.
off behind it, he didn't get it. Okay.
Okay. So this has been our adventure at the River Walk, walking alongside a train track. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and
We love y'all.